Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to see the structure of bacterial cell. The bacteria is the prokaryotic cell, is the primitive cell, not developed as a eukaryotic cell, and it has a very simple structure as compared to the eukaryotic cell. Let's see the structure of bacterial cell. The first structure that is present outside in some bacteria is a capsule. The capsule is a loose covering, and it is very important in some case of bacteria. It is not present in all the bacteria, and its main function is to protect the bacteria from desiccation, and it also going to contribute for the virulence in some pathogenic bacteria, because the presence of capsule makes the bacteria resistant to the process of phagocytosis. Capsule is mainly made up of the polysaccharides, and which is quite helpful, as I said, in pathogenic bacteria. Next, moving inside, the second one is cell wall. Cell wall is the protective in function. It is made up of peptidoglycan in case of bacteria, and it is the thick, rigid outermost covering in bacteria, those who do not have the capsule. And its main function is to give the shape to the cell and protection as well. Next, moving toward inside, we will face a cytoplasmic membrane. Cytoplasmic membrane is a semi-permeable membrane, and it's made up of phospholipids, and it acts as a selective barrier which separates the cell from its exterior. Particularly, interior environment of the cell is separated from the exterior environment, and it is quite important for the cell because it is indispensable for the cell, because without cell membrane, cell can't survive. In case of cell wall, or presence of cell wall is not essential for the survival of the cell, but presence of cell membrane is essential for the survival of cell membrane. Next, moving inside, we will encounter cytoplasm. Cytoplasm or protoplasm of bacterial cell is where the function of cell growth, metabolism and replication are carried out. It is a gel-like matrix composed of water, enzymes, nutrient, waste and gases. It contains cell structures like ribosome, chromosomes, all are the chromosome, to which we are going to call as a nucleoid. Unlike the eukaryotic cell, the bacteria do not have a membrane enclosed nucleus. The chromosome, a single continuous strand of the DNA, is localized. Along with that, some bacterial cell may contain the plasmids, as it is here it is not shown. The plasmids are circular, double-stranded extra chromosomal DNA molecules. Next, we will face pili. Pili are finger-like projections present on the surface of bacterial cell, and these play a very important role in adhering of cell to any firm substrate. The firm substrate may be teeth, or maybe internal layer of intestine, or any physical substance to which the bacterial cell can adhere firmly. The pili can also serve as a bridge to transfer these plasmids to other cell to a process of conjugation. Next one, we will encounter flagella. The flagella are again the hair-like projections, and these are the locomotory organs, and which are used as propellers actually these are rotated either clockwise or in anti-clockwise direction to move the cell in the environment. So with the help of flagella, the bacterial cell can swim in the environment. So it is about the structure of prokaryotic cell.